Hi guys. चल रहे हैं। Till now, what all things did we discuss? Let's recap a bit. Loops. Okay. Conditions. Tuple list. Data structure. Loops. Loop system. Types. Sorry? Conversion. Types. Anything else? Okay. Till now, if you guys have any doubt, please ask me, because from tomorrow to Friday I won't be available. So it will be a long weekend. You guys will be having so many time to practice. So today's class, if you have any doubts, please ask me. We'll start with the doubt clearing session. Then a few small topics are pending. I'll finish it off. Come on, shoot me questions. Or else I will ask you questions. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
and write a hard loop.
You want to answer this question?
Yes, I don't know these.
Why when do we use while loop and
While loop over a for loop.
for the loop? Okay, so first question. When will we use one for loop to while loop? Because both the loop will do the same thing. When do we prefer this? When do we prefer this? Okay. Let's say you have a clear definition for loop, clear requirement for loop. You know what to start, what to end, what is the step. If you know all these three things perfectly, like the values are constant, not dynamic. The values are constant. This is where to start, this is where to end, this is the step I should take. Then for loop. If the values of three variables are constant, and this one of the requirement for this, and one more is listing the item from data structure, like list. Like list, tuple, and we have other data structure also, set, dictionary. So to list everything, use for loop. And if you clearly know the values of start, end and step, then for loop. Okay. If those values are constant, when the values are not constant, then you should use while loop. You don't know what is the starting point properly, or you don't know what is ending point, or you don't know step. If one of the variable is dynamic, then go for while loop. Got it? Next question.
While loop over a for loop. While loop over a for loop.
Yeah, while loop over a for loop. First thing is any loop, try using this. If it is not possible, then use this.
Give a real world example.
Real world example. While we develop this one Django backend, we will get the application there. Now let's not get in depth.
What will be the answer to that?
Which one?
What will be the answer to that?
Real world examples.
This is the answer. Answer is what will
This is
be
the answer.
Same answer.
Right.
Like a while loop that keeps asking a user to call a number and it stops only when they type zero. Zero code is one.
Write a while loop that keeps asking the user for a number.
And it stops only when they type zero.
So the next question is, ask the input from the user. Ask the input from the user until user enters the number 0. These are assignment questions. Okay. So this is the problem statement. So this is one of the application for while loop. Okay, I'll show you how. Start the loop. Listen carefully. Start the loop. Let the condition be true always. Pass the keyword true. It will be always true. Until when? Until the user enters 0. Then how do we come out of the loop? What keyword we use? Yeah? Yeah, break. Somewhere in the code we should use the keyword break. Because this condition is always true, somewhere in the code block we should use the break, so that we can come out of that. If we don't use break, then it's an infinite loop, right? Now we are coming inside the loop. We should take the input, enter 0. Okay. Let me do the type conversion here itself, converting into integer, passing here input in. Okay. Inside the while loop, I'm printing the statement enter 0. Let the user enter something that I am holding in this particular variable in. Now I should check whether the input whatever he has passed, that is equals to 0. If condition, if in is equals to 0, then break. That's it. Don't keep on running. Let's code it out. Can someone say what is this error means? Yeah. Data conversion. Conversion from what to what is happening? String to integer. Yeah. So this error came because I typed something called some string. That's why this error came. To handle it, we use a concept exception handling. Right now, let's type only number. Let's not get into that. Let me try with some other number. Keep on asking until I enter 0. So this is the code. Okay. So this is the one of the application of while loop. When we don't know the condition properly, we don't know where to start, where to end. In this case, we can't use for loop. That's why we use while loop. Okay. So that we can use the statement break to come out of the loop. Next question. Yeah, next question. Yeah. Oh. Can someone answer this? Can you try? Is it visible? Yeah, can you answer? Did you understand the question? It's a fill in the blanks, okay? You have a number on the left side, on the right side. You have to put some operator in between so that you get the output. So, say the answer. Okay. Next.
Division.
Okay. Next.
Modulus.
Next. Let her answer. Yeah. So the first one? Sorry? Asterisk, okay. Second one? So what symbol we should put? Slash. Next. No, not modulus. I need the output 3. But what should I do so that I get the output 3? Yeah, double slash. What is the meaning of double slash? Sorry? I can't get it. No, it's not reminder. Okay, tell me, what is the meaning of this? 10 divided by 3. What is the answer of 10 divided by 3? 3 point? Oh, 3.3. Now this is called floor division, okay? Whatever you do when you divide, out of that you only pick this number. So this is called floor division. We use double slash. Next. Fourth one. Modulus. So what is the meaning of modulus? I have 10 percentage 3 raised to 4. So you said modulus. What is the meaning of modulus? Reminder. When I divide these two numbers, I get the remainder 1. Okay. Next. Double star. Asterisk, okay? What is the meaning of double star? Power. 10 to the power 3. Okay. Next. Okay, when you do some operation, plus, minus, into, whatever, division, modulus, when you do something here, when you put some symbol here, you get a one error. What symbol you should put so that you get error? No idea? Now tell me how many symbols do I have in my hand, so that let me eliminate one by one. Tell me what all symbols do I have? Plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, modulus. Okay, I have these many symbols. If I put plus here, will I get some error? What is the output? Okay. If I put minus, will I get an error? What is the output? If I put star here, what is the output? 0. If I put division here, what is the output? 5 divided by 0? 5 divided by 0? 0. Open your mobile calculator. Open calculator. Do 10 divided by 0. 5 divided by 0. What Not divided by 0. Are you saying that you are not aware of this particular math? You studied engineering, right? Right. Okay, we cannot divide any number with 0. It's an error. It is not 0. You get error. Okay. Now, what else? Yeah. So I have 7 here and 0 here. I need an output 1. What symbol I should put here so that I get 1? Put 1 by 1, one symbol 1 by 1 and think. Modulus. What is the meaning of modulus? Reminder. What is 7 divided by, when you do 7 divided by 0, what is the output? Error. Then how will you get the reminder? Try other symbol. One more is missing, one more symbol is missing here. What? No, it's there. Just now we discussed. Yeah, double star. If you put double star here, what is the meaning of double star? Yeah, let her answer. What is the meaning of double star? Huh? Power. What is the base in this? What is the quotient in this one? Index in this. 7 is okay, and 0 is power. Okay. What is 7 to the power 0? 1. What is 1 to the power 0? Sorry? Okay. So these are all the different operators we have. Yeah, you. When we do A plus B, A plus C, what is the output we get? Sorry? What's A? Is it visible? A is 10. What is C? Not visible. No. Yeah. So if I do A plus C, what will I get? Say, I can't hear you. Sorry? No. What I'm asking is, if I have A is equals to 10, C is equal to something called Ramesh. Okay. If I do A plus C, if I print A plus C, what is the output of this? I'm asking. Any other answer? Yeah. People are saying that we will get an error. Okay. Why do you think the error will come here? What is the data type of A? Sorry? You know what is data type? Data types. What is A? 10. What is 10? Sorry? What is 10? Yeah, integer. 10 is integer. That is type. A is int. What is C? See what is C? String. That's the type of C, okay? So when you do integer plus string, you get an error. You cannot do integer plus string. You can do integer plus integer. What happens if you do integer plus integer? 10 plus 20. Arithmetic operation. If you do string plus string, let's say KL plus Rahul. Okay. What is the output? KL Rahul. So string plus string is possible. This is called arithmetic operation. This is called string concatenation. String plus string, string concatenation. Okay. Now you cannot do integer plus string. You get an error. Now still if you want this as a output, what you should do? Normally we cannot do this, you get an error. Still if you need this output, what we should do? A equals to? Okay, no, it's there. A equals to? Think. What's your name? Nandita. At least you should tell your name louder. Yeah? Nandini. Okay, what's your favorite number? 9. If you want output as 9 Nandini, I don't know what you will do. I need this output. Okay? I need this output. What you will do? Print A separately. Okay, this is possible. Now I have something like A equals to 9, B equals to Nandini. Okay? What is said first is correct only. A equals to 9 Nandini, print A. Perfectly fine. Now I have something like this. A separately, B separately. I need this output. What we should do? I said no, if I do A plus B, I get the error. I showed you something. What is 9? What is the type of 9? What is the type of B? String. I said no, I can't do in A plus B. I can't do int plus string equals to error. I can't do int plus string. This is integer, this is string. If I do A plus B, it's an error. Still I need this output. What we should do? Sorry? Okay. This is integer, no? This is string. I have two options. One is convert everything into integer. Second option, convert everything into string. Let me ask you the first option. Can I convert this into integer? Can I convert 9 into integer? Are you able to get my point? See, I have a number 9 that is in the variable A. I have B, Nandini. Okay. I said I can't do int plus string. What is possible is int plus int is possible. String plus string is possible. Now I have to either make everything into integer or everything into string. Two options I have. First option is convert everything into integer. I am asking, can I convert this 9 into integer? Already it's integer only. Still I can convert. Okay, into int is possible. You won't get any error. It's possible. Can I convert this string into integer? What do you think? Leave about programming everything. What do you think? I have something text. Can I convert it into number? I have Nandini. If I tell you what is the number. If I convert the string Nandini to a number, what will be the output? Sorry? Think, I have something, some text. If I convert, no, listen here. I have some text. Let me convert into a number. Is it possible to convert text into a number? Is my first question. Not possible. Then it's an error. Anything is not possible logically. In programming, it's called error. Okay. So this is not possible. I had first option, convert everything into integer. Not possible. Now convert everything into string. If I ask you, convert 9 into string, is it possible? If I convert this 9 into string, what will be the output? 9 itself. Okay. This is how it will look after conversion. Now this is string, this is string. Now if I add it, I will get this output. Okay. Now question comes, how will I convert? I have a equals to 9. The type of a is integer. If I convert it to string, if I want to convert to string, how will I convert? A equals to 9 I have. I want to convert into string. How will I convert it? This is a 9. I want to convert to string means all I have to do is str of a. A is integer. If I pass integer into str of something, it will become automatically, it will become string. So if you want to convert anything to a number, anything to integer, then use this keyword. Pass anything you want to convert inside, use this keyword integer to convert to integer. Like this, we have so many data types. Like this, we have so many data types like int, float, string, what else? Boolean. Like this, we have so many data types. It's possible to convert one type to another type using the keywords something like this: int, str, float, boolean. Got it? But still, it has some restriction. As I said, you cannot convert string to integer if this is not number. If this is not number, this is not possible. It's only possible when string is something like 100, 10, 20, you can convert into integer. If the string is Nandini, I cannot convert because Nandini is not a number, right? Can you try? So I have two numbers and the comparison operator is between. What will be the output if I do? Leave that. You can look at the code only. It's very simple. Sorry? I don't know. You are not audible. I can't hear you. 10 equals to 10. What is that? look at here. What is the symbol called? Have you seen the symbol? What is that symbol called? Huh? Double equals to. What is the meaning of double equals to? Comparing. Comparing between the item on the left side and item on the right side. Is it? What do you think of the output? That's true. Because they are same, exact same thing. This is true. What about second one? What is that symbol called? Not equal to. What is the output? False. Correct. Next. Greater than. True or false? False. Next. Less than equal to. Output? True. Correct. Next. True and false. What is that and called? That operator name. Don't know? And operator is correct, but to that one heading is there. Under that, this and or will come. What is that heading? They are basically logical operators. Okay, basically logical thing. Okay. True and false means what will be the output? False. True or false? Not true means not true. Anything, I mean, not will convert into opposite thing. If it is true, it will make it false. False means correct. Next. False. False and true and false. Why false? Okay, so output is false. Next. True. Why true? I can't hear you.
The same condition that we use on operators.
I mean, why the answer is true, I'm asking. What made it true? I mean, the output, you said true, right? What is the reason it is true? How it became true? No idea. Then how did you say? Just guess the answer. Okay. Listen here. I have one statement like this. I have another statement like this. Okay, listen carefully. I have two statements. In one statement everything is AND, in another statement everything is OR. For AND, if one of the item is false, the output is false. Here, how many true doesn't matter. If one item is false, output is false for AND. For OR, if one is true, everything is true. Doesn't matter how many false you have. If you have one true and everything is OR statement, then the output is true. Got it? Or in OR, one true is enough. Output is true. For AND, one false is enough. Everything is false. Last one. Sorry? No. Inside the bracket, true and false. What is the output of that? True and false. What is the output of true and false? Not of false. That's all. No need to worry with the bracket, something like that, okay? Whatever the inside the bracket, solve it first. The output of this is false because one of the item is false. Not of false means if it is false, then output is true. Not will pick the opposite one. Okay, false means true, true means false. That's all. the code execution starts from line number 3. Before that, everything is comment. Tell me what is happening in line number 3. Can you be louder? I can't hear you. Third line number 3. Yeah, taking input. Okay. In line number 4, let's take an example of number 7. Let's take the user enters number 7. Assume the number is having 7. Okay, this number variable is holding 7. Now tell me what will happen in the line number 4. 7. Correct. True, correct. Okay. Any other line will execute? No, I'm asking. No. Hold on. I have entered number 7. Okay. This number is holding 7. Now you have a number 7. Line number 4 executes. Yeah, it will come inside. This will be print or not? Print. After this, line number 6, 7, 8, 9 executes or not is not. It won't execute. Now let's take an example. If I enter 0, okay, if I enter 0 in the terminal, tell me which all line will execute. Line number 3 executes. 3 execute. 4 will execute. My question is 4 executes or not? What is the output of 4? Fourth line? True or false? False. 5 executes? No. 6 executes? Okay. What will be the output? False. So line number 7 executes? No. 8 executes? 8. 9 executes? Good. Okay. Let me run this. Into 10 positive minus 4 negative 0 0. Got it? Here in this program, key point to remember is in the entire if to else, only one will become, if one becomes true, nothing else will execute. Okay? The circuit will break there. So that's the key point to remember from this. If this executes, nothing will execute. If this executes, nothing will execute. Like that. Can you try? Okay. So the problem statement is basically one marks we will enter. Output we will say which grade it is. Okay. Let's take a number 75. Let's say I run this program in the terminal. I am entering number 75. The number is 75. Marks is 75. How the execution will happen? Tell me what's happening in line number 3. It will execute. Okay, I am entering 75 as a marks. Line number 4, what happens? Tell me the first statement. Marks greater than 90. Is it a true or false? False. Next, marks less than equals to 100. True or false? Marks less than equals to 100. True or false? True. True or false? True. Now false and true means what will be the false? Will the line number 5 executes? No. Next where it will come? Line number 6. Okay. In line number 6, 75 greater than or equal to 75. True or false? True. And marks 75 is less than or equal to 90. True or false? True. True and true means? True. Which line? Line number 7 will execute. After that execution, what happens? Line number 8 executes or not? No? 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's start. So, great B. Correct. Now let's try with 1 0. Can you try with the number 101? 101, 101. I'm entering the number 101. Wait, let's go line by line. Okay. Line number 3 executes or not? Executes. In line number 4, what is the first statement output? Marks greater than or equal to 92 or false? True. And marks less than or equal to 100 true or false? False. Line number 5 executes. 6 executes. 7, 8. So which will execute? Else will execute. Like that. You give any negative number. Similarly, we will be keep on checking. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Can you try? What is the output of this? Sorry, once again. This 1 to 5. Okay, good. Anyone having any doubt in this? Any other answers? This is the output is a. Can you say? What will be the output of this?
5 steps.
Yeah, correct.
First 5 steps.
No, not first 5. What is the starting?
Next 5, sir. Next 10, sir. Next 15, sir. 20.
21.
19 and last.
Correct. Will the 19 print or not?
No, 19.
Correct. Okay. Can you try?
So it starts from the 10 and it increases by step -2.
Will the 10 print or not?
Yes, sir.
Prints. Okay.
First 10 will print, then -2 8, then 6, then 4, then 2, up to 2.
Okay. Everyone write this code, open your laptop and execute this. implement this. Whatever existing Python version you have in the system, delete it and install the version inside the system. You have VS Code, right? You have VS Code, right? That's it. Execute this. Done. You can keep in your data pack. You have to you can keep all your code inside. You want to verify the answer is correct. You can use it. In programming, you can only say whether it is correct or not. How do you can say?
They are question and answers.
Okay. But I'm saying, usually programming you can only judge. This is the expected output, whether you are getting the same output.
In programming, there is issue.
Already
Question is there.
got it. Okay. You can take the example. everyone look here, let's build the logic. So we want to print the tables from 7 ones are 7 to 7 tens are 7. Okay, this is what we want to print. When I see such kind of thing, first thing it's in my mind is loop. And one more thing is arithmetic operation. One more thing is string concatenation. I'll come to this. Okay. Let's start the loop. We'll use for loop only because we know where to start, where to end, what is the step. First write start. What is the starting point? Okay. Starting point is 1. End is 11. Step is okay. We had other method also. Then we use this. Okay. Let the for loop for I in range start, end and step. Will print. First we will write the answer here. Answer equals to if suppose in the first iteration I want answer as 7, second iteration 14, third iteration 21, then what should be my logic here? 1 second. Let me declare answer equals to 0. 10. 7 into I. Okay. So on the first iteration when the I becomes 1, the answer will be 7, 14, I becomes 3, 21, I becomes 10, 70. Now we have the answer. This is the format 7, 7, 7, 7. This will be fixed. We can hard code 7. This symbol X we can hard code. This is same as I. We will print I. This equal symbol we can hard code. What is this? Answer. Right? We will print it. Print 7 X plus I plus equals to plus answer. Yes, this is enough. You will get 7 table. Do this. Okay. Here 7 is an integer and I is also an integer. We cannot add this integer to the string. Let's do the type conversion here. That's it. Okay. Wherever it's not working, do the type conversion. Try this. Okay, try this. If you're done that, try implementing this. This will be fun. want to try? Try this. Listen here. This problem statement is we have a secret number. The number is 42. It's hard coded. We have a 5 attempt. Okay. Within 5 attempt, we have to guess the number. Let's say the secret number is 42 and user enters some number like around 55. We will say the number is higher than the secret number, or if the number guessed is 20, we will say it's too low. Like that, we have to find out the number until we get the exact secret number. Okay, this is the problem statement. We have only 5 attempts. So how attempt is getting decreased, how we are using while loop here, it's a very good program. Can you try this? Yeah, starts with the line number 8. Bro. Louder, let everyone hear.
Secret number is 42.
Yeah.
And attempts are 5.
Okay.
While attempts less than 0.
No, greater.
Greater than 0.
So it's a true or false there. Next, will it come inside the while loop?
Yeah.
Oh.
Set a value and it will take the input.
Let's say I'm giving the input as 50. How it will behave after this? If I give 50, guess is right now guess has the number 50. Yeah.
This is greater than the secret number.
No, less than.
Then if not will
Less than, not greater than. Line number 12.
line number 12 will execute and it will be the false.
Okay.
And 14 will execute and it is true.
Correct.
Print to white.
Yeah. After that, where it will come?
Else will be
Else will execute or not? Now we are in line number 14. It's true. Line number 15 executes or not? Executes. After line number 15, where the which line will execute? Line number?
line number 19.
Correct. So the if else blockchain, one got true, nothing else will print. Okay, nothing else will execute. So line number 19, correct. What happens in line number 19? Correct. Correct. Now next, what happens after line number 19? What happens?
After line number 19, the line number 11 will
10 will execute. Okay, it's a loop. So again it will go. Attempt will become. Is it true or false? Line number 10. Line number 10 is true or false? Attempt is 4 right now because one got decreased. No. What is the output of line number 10? No. Line number 10. True. So 11. Now the guess I am giving as 40. Yeah. 1140. Yeah.
12, line number 12 is
Correct.
and the print 2 loop.
Correct. After line number 13, which will execute?
Number 19 will execute.
Correct. Now attempt became
3.
correct. Now which line will execute again?
Again 10 will execute.
Correct. Now I am giving 42 only. Yeah. Line number 11.
16 will execute.
Line number 12 executes or not?
12 executes.
Line number 13 executes or not?
No.
Line number 14 executes or not? 14 executes or not? Execute. 15?
15.
No. 16?
16 will execute.
Yes. 17?
17 will execute.
Okay. 18?
18 will execute.
After 18, what happens?
After 18,
Print before. Print is done. Now break is also done. After line number 18, which line will execute? It will execute. Still, see, we will come out of the loop.
then the line number 10 will execute.
No. The loop starts from line number 10 to line number 19. So we will come out of that block. Still 2 more lines is there, no? Line number 20 will execute. What is line number 20? Is it true or false? False. Yeah. So line number 20 executes or not? 21? No. Okay. So once we come out of the loop, line number 20 executes, because break is only meant to come out of the loop, not come out of the program. Okay. When it's the break, still 2 more lines are pending. That second line is dependent on line number 20. Line number 20 will execute no matter what. If it is true, 21 is also execute, else no. Okay. Yeah, if you are done, you can leave. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇದು does this. ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಗುರಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗುರಿ
ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಲಾರ್ಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಮೀಗಲು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಲಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ 2 ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಇಡಾಯ್ತಾ, ಒಂದು ಮೀಗಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ವಿಂಡೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಥರ 2 ವಿಂಡೋ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಒಂದು ಮೀಗಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ಕ್ಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಾನು 3 ವರ್ಕ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಒಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್, ಒಂದು ಬಗ್ಗು. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರ ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು ನಾನು, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ನಾನು, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು QA ಆನಂದ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ಗೂ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಬಗ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಆ ಬಗ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೈಟಲ್ಲು, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ. ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಪ್ರಯಾರಿಟಿ P0 ಇಂದ P3 ತನಕ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ಸು ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಟೀಮು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಹಾಕು, ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕು, ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದದು. ಇದು 2 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್, ಅಸೈನಿ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರು. ಯಾವನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತವನೆ, ಯಾರು ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವನು ಅಸೈನಿ, ಯಾರು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರು. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೀಗಲ್ದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡು. ಮತ್ತು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನೆಸಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರು ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ನೀನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ನೀನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ದು ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆದರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಟೋಮೇಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದು ಸೀದಾ ಲಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಇದ್ರೊಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಟಲು, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನು, ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸು. ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು ಇದ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಟಿಕೆಟು ಓಪನಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಓಪನಿಂದ ಇಂಟೆಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಂಟೆಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ QAಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ QAಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ PR ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವನು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರು ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ನು PR ರಿವ್ಯೂಗೆ ತರ್ತಾನೆ, PR ರಿವ್ಯೂಗೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್, ಮರ್ಜ್ ಟು ಮೈನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಫ್ಲೋ. ಮರ್ಜ್ ಟು ಮೈನಿಂದ ಡನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋ. ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಿನಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ? ನಿನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಬ್ರಾ? ನಿನ್ನ ಸೇರಿ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ದಂತ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ದು ಟಿಕೆಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓನರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ವಿಷಯ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಚ್ ಮೈನ್ಯೂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸು ಟಾಸ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಬಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವನು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೋ ಅವ್ನು ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಜೀರಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಥರ. ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. ಲಾರ್ಕು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ ಈ ಥರ, ಮೀಗಲ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿಂಡೋ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ವೋ, ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಿದ್ರು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿನ್ನ ಇದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆದರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆದರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಲಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದೌದು, ರೋಮೀಸು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ರೋಮೀಸ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್, ರೋಮೀಸು ಬಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೌದೌದು, ಸೇಮ್. ಹೌದೌದು. ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತವ್ರ? ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಹಂಗಿಲ್ವ, ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ಕೆಲಸ ಹೆವಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಕೆಲಸ. ನಾನು ಇದು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ಚು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯೋ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವಳು ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ಲು, ಮಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೈರ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಳು ಸುಷ್ಮಾ, ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟವಳೆ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ದು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟವಳೆ. ನಾನು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೋಡಿನ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೆದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದು ಈ ಕ್ರೆಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ? ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ, ಡೇಟಾ ಆಚೆ ಈಚಾಗಿದೆ. ಸರಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಪಿಚ್ಚಿಂಗು ನಾಳೆ RGP. ನಾಳೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ Q&A, 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಪಿಚ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಮಜಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. ಸರಿ, ಆಯಿತು. ನಿಂಗೆ ಅದು ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿನಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ತುಂಬ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ನಾನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸರಿ, ಆಯಿತು.